Okay, today we are going to optimize your laptop's battery runtime for school. We're going to start by turning off startup apps that are forcing your CPU to unnecessarily work harder, resulting in reduced battery life. Right-click on the Start button. Select Task Manager. Click the Performance tab. So this is not good. 6.4 gigabytes is almost half of the laptop's memory that is being consumed, and while it's just idling, we want this number to be as low as possible. Go ahead and click the Startup tab. We will turn some of these apps off. We are going to right-click on Adobe and select Disable. We will do the same thing for the other we don't need, such as Copilot, Edge, etc. If you are not sure about an app, please leave it alone. And let's go ahead and restart. And if we go back to Task Manager, it's now consuming less memory, which is good. Next, we will be removing apps we don't use. Click Start and right-click 3D Viewer and select Uninstall. Do this for all apps you do not use. Some of these apps are often unused, like Cortana and Feedback Hub, while others are redundant. Here, I uninstall Movies and TV because I replace it with VLC Media Player. Next, we are going to clean out the hard drive so it runs smoothly. Click Start and type in Disk Cleanup. Select it and check all the boxes. Click OK. It may take a few minutes to clean up depending on your hard drive size and how much clutter needs to be removed, but please be patient. Okay, now we get to the fun part. We are going to create power plans. Power plans allow you to change your laptop's performance and battery runtime with one click of a button for convenience. Before we move forward, please note all the commands you see here are available on the video description, so you can easily follow along in addition to copying and pasting them for reference. We'll begin by clicking Start. Type in CMND. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type in Power CFG, then a space, dash, list, and press Enter. These are the current power plans on this laptop. We are going to copy these for later reference, highlight them both and press Ctrl-C. Then right-click Paste or Ctrl-V onto your notes. Next, we need to check something before continuing. Click Start and type in Power Plan. Click Choose Power Plan. We'll select Balanced and then Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. We are looking for two things here: Processor Power Management and System Cooling Policy. Neither are here, so we will add them both. If these two options already appear in your power plan, you can skip this step. We are going to highlight the Processor Power Management command. Then we'll copy it. We will paste it into the command prompt and press Enter. Then we will repeat this for System Cooling Policy. If we go back to Power Plans, both are now appearing, which is what we want. Our goal is to have three power plans available. First is Power Save, for lectures and note-taking. Basically, we're trying to maximize battery runtime. Next is balanced. For more specific tasks where you need the extra horsepower. Last is high performance. For serious tasks like models and simulations, computer-aided drafting, and graphic design. Since we already have balanced and high performance, we need to create a third power plan called PowerSave. Go back to Power Plans and click Create Power Plan. Change the name to PowerSave and click Next. Adjust the display and sleep settings if you like, and click Create. Now we have all three power plans and we just need to get them all together on our notes. Go back to Command Prompt and type in power CFG --list. Highlight and copy the PowerSave power plan. Paste into your notes. Now let's tweak each power plan accordingly. Go back to Power Plan and select PowerSave and change plan settings. Set the system cooling policy to passive for battery and active for plugged in. But if you have a really powerful CPU, set the on battery setting to active. Set max processor state between 50 and 70% on battery. You can experiment with the CPU speed setting to determine the middle ground between better battery life versus performance. Now repeat the same steps for balanced and high performance. Now we are going to adjust screen brightness for each power plan. Click Start and type Windows Mobility Center. Click it. Then go back to Power Plans and select PowerSave. In Mobility Center, drag the display slider to 50 to 65%. Remember, the screen is among the biggest culprits when it comes to battery consumption. Repeat these steps for balanced and high performance. Lastly, we'll make shortcuts for easy access. Go to Documents and right-click to create a new folder. Name it Power Plans and go in the folder. Then right-click and select New Shortcut. Type in power CFG --set active, then paste the PowerSave plan at the end. Click Next, rename it to PowerSave, and click Finish. Now right-click on it and select Properties. Click Change Icon. Type in the directory on the notes. As a reminder, this is on the video's description for reference. Control V to paste and click OK. Select the battery icon and click OK. Then right-click on the icon and select Pin to start. Repeat these steps for balanced and high performance. And we are done. Now you can quickly switch to maximum battery runtime for your next lecture, or get an extra boost while giving a presentation, or get max speed when gaming or designing your next project. You can also create similar settings for dynamic situations like traveling for work or school, but power plans are an excellent way to get the most out of your laptop. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content.